Hi ABSS users. Today, we'll guide you through an essential step, activating your company Datafile in ABSS Accounting Connect or Premier Connect. This activation is crucial to ensure full functionality and access to all features. To start, click the Help button in the software interface. From the drop-down menu, select Activate Company File. This will open a new window to proceed with the activation. Tick the option I want to activate my company file online, then click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your 12-digit serial number. This unique identifier is essential for activating your software. If you're new to ABSS Connect, your serial number can be found in the welcome email sent shortly after you completed the sign-up process. Please refer to that email to retrieve your serial number. If you're an existing user already using ABSS Accounting or Premier, but not yet on the Connect platform, you can seamlessly onboard to ABSS Accounting Connect or Premier Connect using your existing serial number. After entering your serial number, click Continue, and your company file will be activated. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you successfully activate your Datafile and kickstart your journey with ABSS Connect products.